Top 6. Best torque wrench for motorcycles. If you're looking for the best torque wrench for motorcycles, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Best overall. Tekton Torque Wrench.
Hey, this is Brennan from Tekton Tools, here to show you how to use the Tekton 24340 half-inch drive torque wrench. First, the torque wrench has a 2-piece scale with the main scale on the handle body and the micrometer on the knurled handle. To set the torque wrench, loosen the lock nut at the end of the torque wrench. This torque wrench has increments of 25 foot-pounds on the main scale and 1 foot-pound on the micrometer. If you want to set the torque wrench to 120, turn the knurled handle so that 0 is on the bottom of the 100. Then you turn the micrometer another 20 spaces so that it is set to 120. Lock the torque setting by tightening the lock nut. Then you are ready to go. It is important to use the torque wrench slowly and steady so you not miss the torque setting you want. When the desired torque setting is reached, you will hear a click. Do not continue to move the torque wrench after you hear the click, or you can over-tighten the nut or bolt. When you are finished, make sure you store the torque wrench at the lowest setting to maintain accuracy.
Number 2. Runner-up. GearWrench Electronic Torque Wrench. Number 3. Best budget. Capri Tools Torque Wrench.
In this video, you'll learn how to adjust the torque value and use the torque wrench properly. Rotate the base of the torque wrench counterclockwise to reduce torque, and rotate the base of the torque wrench clockwise to increase torque. To accurately read the scale, simply note where the horizontal microscale matches up with the vertical macroscale. Add these two numbers together, and in this example you've reached 100 foot-pounds of torque. The torque is now set, and we can move on to proper technique. Hold on to the socket with your left hand while applying pressure with your right hand. Maintain a slow and steady motion. Once you feel tension, it's important to apply less force so as to feel the pulse stop and hear the click. Remember, do apply less pressure when tension builds, and do reset the torque wrench to its lowest setting after use. Don't over-tighten past the pulse or click stop, or attempt to loosen nuts with the torque wrench. Keeping these tips in mind can keep your torque wrench and the parts you're working on in better shape.
Number 4. Best for durability. eTorque Click Style Torque Wrench. Number 5. Best for construction. Tang Tools Torque Wrench. Number 6. Best for durability and precision. Venzo Bicycle Bike, a 1/4 inch. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.